Hey, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to spend just a few minutes in a short video talking to you about math and how we can provide you with some extra help. Besides that, you will get in your curriculum, there'll be some instruction in the curriculum itself, the online curriculum and videos and that. Your teacher will help you. And if your parent is a teacher at home, this will be extra help for them to give to you as well. And if you're in our Advantage program where you are our teachers, this is extra help as well, especially when you're doing something maybe late at night or sometime when a teacher's not available. So it won't take long. We're just going to look at something in math. I'm going to do high school right now, and we're going to look at a math course in high school. And what do I do if I need some more help? Well, I'm going to log in to my coursework, and I've already got that ready to log into. And we'll be there, and I'm going to be in Algebra 1. You see my first assignment there in Algebra 1 is about variables and expressions as we begin the first semester of Algebra 1. Here we are with our course coming up, a very short lesson about variables and expression as introduces to you. You had pre-algebra last year, so this should not be foreign to you. You should have a good grasp on what we're talking about, but maybe you want something else to help you there, and you need to say, I need a refresher on that, and you want something maybe at night where you want to have that done for you. So we have provided for you videos that are aligned here, which will be of help besides your teacher and that in the curriculum. So the first place you're going to go is in the Academy website. And we're going to talk to you here. Let me close this one out. We'll get this here. We're going to go to your student resources. And this will be where you find all your assignments for every course. We're going to math, so we're going to open the math library, the academic library for math. Come down to Algebra 1, first semester. We're going to open that, this web page. You can bookmark this yourself so you don't have to go through this. There will be a password when you enter for the first time called the site password. But if you get this page bookmarked and then save the password, that won't be an issue for you. Remember over here, back to our work, variables and expressions, the introduction in Algebra 1. Well, I want to know some more about variables and expressions. And so here I'm going back to Algebra 1, and here's the introduction to algebra. Here's where we are, variables and expressions. So we've aligned for you 3 extra videos to provide you extra information, extra practice, and some instruction. You may need this, you may not. You don't have to use this, but we encourage you, if you need some extra help, this is a good place to go as you're waiting maybe for some instruction from your teacher. So we're just going here. What is a variable? And you're going to see a video come up on your screen. What is a variable? You would play that. That will align to what the concept is being teaching in the lesson over here. And then you have that for you. There are 3 of those videos, I believe, when we went to the math library and we had algebra. We had a second one. Why aren't we using the multiplication sign? You know, we don't use that in Algebra 1. This explains that, sort of an introduction to you. Again, another video is going to come up. All you got to do is click on it, and it comes up. This one, I've looked at these. These are about 3 minutes and 4 minutes long, so they're not going to take you, but they're good information. The same thing, back another video, and you scroll all the way down. This is Unit 1, Foundations of Algebra, Linear Equations. Unit 2 you would go to, and we scroll all the way down and start Unit 3, Unit 4. All of these are videos for you. When you see these light up, that means there's a video waiting for you if you need some extra explanation, extra practice in there. So we encourage you to go to these web pages, bookmark them, and when you're working in your math courses, use them as you need them. Okay? Thanks for joining me. Have a great time in math.